What's up, advocates? It's that time again. It's time for another meetup where we can get the industry together and we can talk shop, share ideas, listen to some amazing speakers, and just have some amazing content and just an amazing group for us to just sort of gather around and really talk shop and get to know more about our business. So if you're a public adjuster, restoration contractor, or an attorney, you already know if you watch our show, we do the meetups all over the country, mainly in Florida right now, and our next one is coming up in Orlando. At the end of the month. We're doing it on January 28th from 6 to 9 p.m. at Dave & Buster's. That Dave & Buster's is located at 8986 International Drive in Orlando, Florida. Guys, it's the first one of the year. It's going to be amazing. We've got some amazing sponsors in David Dubay, and he's going to be there to talk to you about all kinds of stuff, roofing related, law related, contract related, anything that you could imagine. It's going to be an amazing event, and I want you to come down and meet me and meet other adjusters in the industry. Let's do it.